This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Ashley Hiles. Beautiful open floor plan, cozy gas fireplace in living room that will provide extra heat during the cold winters, nice master bed and bath west/jacuzzi tub. Updated living room and hallway floor. All wood cabinets. 1-car garage west/electric opener. HOA includes all exterior features including but not limited to roof, gutters and lawn care. For more information, review the details below or contact Ashley Hiles at 865-687-1111.